Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Video Session Standard 5. Today, we are going to continue the lesson Term 3, third lesson, Air. Previous video section, we discussed atmosphere. Then, 5 layers of atmosphere. Today, we are going to discuss about importance of air. Importance of air. Air is important for all living organisms. Without air, no life can exist on the earth. We take oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide, but plant in turn use carbon dioxide present in the air to produce their food. That process is called photosynthesis. The gases such as oxygen, the O2 denote oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, CO2 denote carbon dioxide. The shortest form of carbon dioxide is CO2. Then hydrogen present in the air are important to us for many reasons. Let us study about the importance of air in this section. The first importance of air is water cycle. Water cycle needed air to do their process. Now we discuss that. First, water vapor present in the air is important for the formation of water cycle. So water water vapor also present in the air. We already the previous standard we learned the composition of air. There hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, other gases, water vapor, argon, helium, they are present in 1% in the air. So, water vapor also present in the air. Okay, the water from the water bodies such as river and ocean evaporates from the sun with the help of sun, the heat, and become water vapor. The water vapor then form the clouds. These clouds move to the land and get cooled to give us the rain. This movement of cloud is possible due to air. The air, without air, the water cycle is not happen. The water will not get properly in our earth. So, air is important for water cycle. Next, supplies energy. We breathe oxygen present in the air and it is supplied to the cell in our body with the help of nose. Through the nose. Body cell burn the food molecules with the help of oxygen and produce energy. With this energy, we do all kind of work. So, without air, we cannot do the work, and we cannot survey in the world. So, air is more important for humans. So, the air gives energy to us. Next, sound travel through air. We hear many things from the surrounding and people hear what we speak, right? This is possible due to air because sound need a medium to travel. The sound need a medium to travel. They need water or air to travel. Vibration. Here one example is there. One player, one listener. They play the music instrument, any music instrument. Okay. Now the surround like that. So they give the sound with the help of that instrument. How we are hearing means the sound will be travel in the vibration of the air. So the listener hear the music or sound of that person. So air is needed for hear the sound. Sound travel from the point of generation to the listener through air only. Now I talking, we are listening. So how we are listening, how we hear that sound with the help of air only in the room, and you are sitting where there is air present there, so only are hearing that the sound. Okay, next children, can you guess how many times a human being breathes every day? On an average range, human being breathe 22,000 times. We are breathing the air. We take oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. We breathe 60 kilograms of air every day. We breathe 60 kilograms of air every day. Okay. Next, useful for plant. The plant also, humans also need air. Likewise, plant also need air. The nitrogen present in the air is useful for plant. Now, these bacteria are able to directly fix atmospheric nitrogen, convert them into nitrates, and make them available to the plant. This process is called nitrogen fixation. Next process is called nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen helps to the growing of plant. These nitrates are useful for growth of plant. Also, air is helpful for the pollination of plant. Pollination means growth. New plant will growing. So the pollen grain travel from one plant to another plant through air. So only the reproduction is happening. So only the new plant is created. Thus, cross pollination is achieved with the help of air. So the plant will grow from one place to another place. Now neem tree is there means they want the neem tree to another place means they travel. And the air only. The pollen grain will travel. So this is the other help of uses of plant also they need air. Then transport. The movement of air is called wind, moving air. So it is a natural source of energy. This is helpful for the ship and boat to sail on the water. Then aeroplanes and helicopter travel through air. So the transport is air transport. They need the air. So this is the another importance of air. Then sports. In the sports also the air is present. They need. The main role is playing the sports also. Okay. What are the sports? Two sports they need air. Paragliding. This is the paragliding sports. Is the recreational and competitive advanced sports of flying. Okay, in this sports, pilots sit in a harness substrate below a fabric wings. This the blue color. This is a fabric wing. They sit down of that wings. So they fly. They travel from one direction to another side, one side to another side. How we travel with help of air only. Who first go that place? They have take one starting point and ending point. So the which person go first place in the ending point with throw air. This is a game. Okay. Next game is hung gliding. Hung gliding is also an air sport. They look like this. This is the hung gliding picture. This is a air sport or recreational activity with a pilot flies a light or non-motorized foot launch aircraft called a hang gliding. Look like this. This is the one game. Okay, the paragliding and hanging gliding are possible with help of air. Other sports like windsurfing and sliding and hit surfing are also possible with help of air only. These are the sports also we need the air. Next parachutes and hot air balloons. This is the parachute we are seeing in the movies in the many areas, and hot air balloons. This is the hot air balloons. Parachute and hot air balloons are used to land from above. We have to fly in the sky. They are using the flying in the sky. In the case of emergency, people use parachute and come down slowly and safely with the help of air. In the flight they are traveling, suddenly the flight have any problem in the flight, how they come down? With the help of parachute only they come down the land. So this also help presence of air. How they happen? The presence of air only they are doing that activity. Okay. Then wind energy. The air flow from the region of high pressure to low pressure. This flow of air at high speed is called wind. This wind is used to generate electric power with help of windmills. The windmill create electrical energy. Create windmills, what they create? Electrical energy. Okay, children, I hope that you would understand this section. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.